This video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about SQL query truncate table. How to delete records from a database table. One way of doing this is with the drop table. You can drop a table, which we saw in the last demo. But what if we wish to simply delete the data but not the table itself? For this we can use truncate table. So truncate table is used to remove the records from the table. The syntax for the truncate table is truncate table name. Please remember that the truncate table command cannot delete any rows of data that violate foreign key or any other constraint. So if there is any rules or constraints for a particular record, particular row, truncate table cannot do anything on that. So we need to know the difference between truncate table and delete. Functionally, the following two SQL statements are equivalent. So truncate table and delete table. Delete from customer. Both will delete all the rows from the customer table. The difference between the two is in the amount of system resource consumed. Delete from requires more system resource and hence takes longer time to complete because the RDMS has to record or log all the changes one row at a time in the transaction log, while truncate operation does not record the changes one row at a time, so it can be completed quicker. So truncate takes little time and delete takes more time because it has to log the transactions. So let's see an example how exactly this truncate works. Okay, so I'm going to create a table and I'm going to insert some records and I'm going to delete that. I'm going to truncate the table. So let's create a table called student with 7 columns in our database. Okay, so already table is present, so I'm going to drop this table and then again let's create the table again. So I'm going to create this table and I'm going to insert 5 records into the table. Looks like 5 records have been created. So let's see what are those 5 records. Yes, we have the student table now available, and these are the 5 student records in this student table. For some reason I want to delete all the records, not the table. No, I don't want to delete the table but just the records. These values I want to delete. There are two ways: drop, delete table and truncate. So now we are going to use truncate. So truncate, this is the syntax: truncate table and student. So what will happen is this will remove all these records but the table schema will be available in the database. So looks like truncate has removed all the records from the table. So it has 0 records. Can you see here all the records have been deleted by truncate. So this is the purpose of truncate table. Please use wherever truncate is necessary and wherever delete is necessary in your application. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.